Chapter 5. Factors influencing the stock market. How much does the stock market fluctuate? So much so that whenever you see a graph with lots of ups and downs, you presume it to be representing the stock market. Have you ever pondered why do the stock prices fluctuate? A stock market is a place where you wake up to see a new trend every day. The stock prices are so fluctuating that the price variation is seen not every day, not every minute, but every second. But what causes the stock market to fluctuate so much? The stock market's volatility is caused due to various market forces influencing it, which are as follows. Number 1. Economic factors. Higher economic growth or better prospects for growth will increase the consumption in the economy. When people start to consume more, their spending will increase. Money flow in the market increases. This will help boost company dividend and therefore share prices or the stock market in a broader sense. Investors will be encouraged to invest more in the stock market. Conversely, when the economy is falling, it has a reverse effect on the investors. The investors tend to withhold their spending and spend only on essential items. They also withdraw money from the stock market. Number 2. Geopolitical factors. Unfavorable circumstances like war, terrorism, and political unrest can negatively affect the entire business scenario. Investors and traders refrain from investing in stocks in such unfavorable situations. Number 3. FII. The foreign institutional investors refer to the foreign companies which invest in Indian businesses. The FII see a great investment opportunity in growing economies like China, India, and Brazil. They prefer to invest a great amount of wealth in the Indian stock market with the outstanding power of selling and buying anytime. Whenever FII withdraw their investment from the Indian market, the share market gets adversely affected. Number 4. Inflation. To hedge against rising inflation, people should invest more in the stock market because no other financial instrument will be able to give higher return as the stock market. As the purchasing power decreases, every other commodity like buying a land or investing in a house becomes more expensive. Number 5. Foreign exchange rates. When the rates of foreign currencies fluctuate, it influences our domestic stock market. It impacts the stock prices of Indian companies which have an overseas presence. Companies that are involved in import and export will have a major impact on their operations and share prices. For instance, when rupee depreciates, companies, for example, IT Pharma, that have an overseas presence will have a positive impact. Number 6. Demand and supply. If an industry grows, the demand for the shares of promising companies in that industry increases. When the demand goes up, the share pricing also goes up and vice versa. Number 7. Investor sentiments. The stock market is invariably governed by the feeling of the investors. If the investors are willing to take the risk, then they tend to invest more and vice versa. Number 8. Interest rate outlook. When the RBI interest rate rises, businesses' cost of borrowing increases. They are left with fewer profits. causing share price to fall because now capital allotment for further expansion and future prospect fulfillment will be less. The distribution of dividend will also be less. When the interest rate are reduced, then the enterprises thrive, which may result in a higher share price. However, these impacts are short term. In a country like India, interest rate fluctuations are prominent, because of which companies maintain a buffer for minimal impact in their day-to-day operations. Number 9. Trade balance. Trade balance reflects the differences in import and export of the country. If the import are more than export, then it is referred to as a trade deficit. If the import remains more for a prolonged period, then it may push the country into debt. Hence, trade deficit negatively impacts the economy. If the exports are more than imports, then it is referred to as trade surplus. Trade surplus reflects a healthy state of the economy and impacts the stock market positively. To sum up, these are the main factors that affect the stock market investment. The reason mentioned above also explain why the stock market keep fluctuating all the time. However, the stock market also impacts the economy of the country. Here is how the stock market impacts the economy of the country. Number 1. The effect on wealth. If the prices of the stocks are depreciating, then it will discourage the buyers from investing more money in buying shares. The people also spend less on buying goods and products, which brings the GDP of the country down, as consumer spending is the major component of GDP. Consequently, the stock market will further go down, impacting the economy of the country negatively and vice versa. Number 2. The effect on pensions. Going by the general convention, the pension funds are usually associated with the stock market investment. Suppose the invested fund suffer huge losses, then the pension funds of the government may struggle to keep their promises of paying regular funds to retired citizens.